Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to customize tumblers just in time for camping season. I saw these color-changing tumblers at Costco and knew they would be perfect for a Cricut project. These cups will get washed over and over, so the first step you need to do is clean off any oils with one of these alcohol swabs. Just clean the area you are going to put the vinyl on and let it dry for a few minutes. For any project that is going to get washed, definitely make sure you are using permanent vinyl. Cut out your vinyl and stick it down to a green mat. Use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. On projects like this with thin writing, make sure you are using a green mat that is sticky, otherwise you could run into trouble when you're cutting. I have two different cup designs here. I'll just use my fine point blade to separate these. Grab your weeder tool and pull off the parts you don't need. For permanent vinyl, you'll want to use some strong grip transfer tape instead of the normal stuff. Cut out a piece and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick the vinyl to the transfer tape. Then flip it over and peel off the backing. Line the design up into position, and when you're happy with the placement, stick it on. Use the scraper tool to stick the vinyl really well to the cup. Peel off the transfer tape, and you'll need to let this cure for 3 days before you use it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.